In this video, we will unravel the magic of search engine optimization and provide valuable insights on how to implement it in 2023. Search engine optimization can help to improve your website's visibility in the search engine results pages and enhance your online presence. Search engine optimization, or SEO, involves optimizing the content of your website to rank higher in organic search engine results. This can include the use of relevant keywords, improving site speed and user experience, and building high-quality backlinks to your site. One of the most important aspects of SEO is conducting keyword research. This involves identifying the keywords and phrases that potential customers are using to find your products or services and incorporating them into your website's content. Proper keyword research can help to improve your website's organic search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your site. On-page optimization refers to optimizing the content and structure of your website's pages for maximum search engine visibility. This includes properly formatting your content with header tags, optimizing your images with alt tags, and ensuring that your site has a clean and easy-to-read design. Off-page optimization involves building high-quality backlinks to your website from other reputable sites. This can help to increase your website's authority and improve its search engine rankings. Other off-page optimization tactics include social media marketing, guest blogging, and influencer outreach. Finally, let's take a look at some of the SEO trends that will be important in 2023. These include the rise of voice search, the importance of featured snippets, and the need for structured data markup. It will also be important to optimize your website for mobile devices and prioritize page speed and load times. Implementing a solid SEO strategy can provide significant benefits to your business in terms of increased traffic, brand visibility, and customer engagement. By following the best practices outlined in this video, you can make the most of search engine optimization in 2023 and beyond.